Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video, we're going to teach you step by step how you can set up an out-of-office auto reply or message to emails here on Gmail really quickly. For example, if you're on a vacation or on holiday or out of office and you would like to notify your contacts of that whenever they send you a message. So you may set up an automated reply here on Gmail really quickly. Let us show you how to do that. You may head over to Gmail inbox, of course, access via Google Chrome. Make sure that you're logged in with your account, and what you want to do is access your Gmail inbox settings. To do that, click on that gear icon in the top right and select See All Settings below. And here inside your settings, guys, make sure that you stick or switch to the General tab here in the top left if you haven't done that yet. After that, scroll down to the very bottom of your General settings, and here you will see at the bottom a feature called Vacation Responder, which is basically the same as an out-of-office message or reply. So guys, as you can see, according to this description here, these vacation responder or out of office replies get sent automatically or as an automated reply to incoming messages for the time of your vacation automatically to your contacts. So you may simply enable it. It is usually disabled on default, so you may enable it by clicking on vacation responder on here and set the starting date of your out of office period or vacation. Like let's say today is June 17, 2025. So let's say I start my vacation on Friday this week, which would be the 20th. And you may also add end date for vacation out of office period by selecting last day and add the date here. So let us go with a week, which would be June 27th. And that's it. You may add also a subject below, like, I don't know, out of office or something like that. And after that, simply type in your automated reply or out of office message here below where it says message. So let me type in that one. Your out of office will be back on, and then you can add the date for if you like, for example, but it's optional. You may customize your message, of course, apply bold letters, italic letters, maybe attach a file, an image, or whatever you'd like to do, like a hyperlink and so on and so forth. And once that's done, guys, once you're content with your automated out of office reply, simply save these changes here by clicking on Save Changes. Or you may also enable this feature here, only send a response to people in my contacts. For example, if you'd like to send or auto send these out of office replies only to your contacts here in Google and not to generic emails you receive here in your inbox. So guys, it's totally up to you. Confirm by clicking on Save Changes here, and from now on the vacation responder will be applied starting with the date you provided here on the first day. And that's it, guys. That's how you set up an out of office reply or message on Gmail. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.